artificial intelligence isn't just smart anymore. It's eerily human. In 2025, some AI tools can carry on conversations, solve problems, and even express opinions, as if you're talking to a real person. In this video, we'll explore 4 AI tools that think, sound, and react like humans, and why that's both fascinating and a little terrifying. Ready to meet your digital twin? Let's dive in. First up is the AI that took the world by storm, ChatGPT 4, powered by OpenAI. Unlike older chatbots that gave stiff, robotic answers, ChatGPT feels fluid, articulate, and almost conversationally perfect. Ask it to write a business plan, summarize an academic paper, or explain quantum physics. It not only understands, it responds clearly, logically, and sometimes even creatively. With GPT-4 Turbo, it's now faster, remembers more, and integrates with tools like DALL-E for images, a code interpreter for math and data, and even real-time web browsing. The scary part, it remembers your preferences. You can literally train it to think like you. And in a conversation, it doesn't feel like you're talking to a machine. It feels like you're brainstorming with a genius friend who never sleeps. If ChatGPT is the polite assistant, Grok is the rogue genius who's way too online. Developed by xAI, Elon Musk's AI company, Grok is built into X, formerly Twitter, and it thrives on real-time data. It's trained on live, up-to-the-minute content from the internet, making it uniquely capable of reacting to memes, news, and trending events with wit and sarcasm. Ask Grok about a political controversy, a viral post, or an Elon meme, and it doesn't just summarize it. It adds a personality-driven, often hilarious twists that feels less like an AI and more like a snarky Reddit user who happens to know everything. It's bold, it's brutally honest, and sometimes it's too real. And that's why some people love it, and others fear it. Then there's Claude by Anthropic, the deep thinker of the AI world. If ChatGPT is the genius, and Grok is the wild card, Claude is the quiet intellectual who takes time to give a thoughtful, balanced answer. Claude is trained with a heavy emphasis on ethics, safety, and transparency. It's capable of handling massive context windows, meaning it can understand and remember far more information in a single conversation than most other AIs. But what's eerie about Claude is its tone. It often responds in a way that feels empathetic, almost humanly reflective. It can analyze long documents, discuss philosophy, give mental health support, and write in a style that's conversational, but calming and intelligent. Claude doesn't just think like a human, it sometimes feels like one. Finally, we have Perplexity AI, the AI that wants to replace your search engine. It doesn't just spit out results like Google. Instead, it reads, analyzes, and answers your question, complete with real-time sources, so you can verify the accuracy. You can ask it deep research questions like, what's the difference between machine learning and deep learning? Or, is remote work still growing in 2025? And it'll respond like a real researcher, sourcing data, summarizing articles, and delivering facts with clarity. But here's where it gets human. It understands intent. It knows when you're asking for a summary, a deep dive, or a quick TLDR, and it adapts its tone and depth accordingly, just like a human researcher would. Sure. These 4 AI tools go beyond basic automation. They think, reason, and communicate like humans. Some do it with polished intelligence, others with humor or empathy. But they all point to the same truth. We're entering a world where human-like AI isn't science fiction, it's already here. So, which one impressed you the most? Or scared you just a little? Drop a comment below. And if you want to stay ahead of the AI curve, subscribe to AI Pioneer, hit the like button, and ring the bell for more cutting-edge content.